I have friends from all the faiths, all the major faiths. We work together, we walk together. It's a great experience. I think to me, this is the best thing happened to me. When you come to know others, then they never stay as other, they become your own. And that oneness, that union, that harmony, that love, that gives me so much to share with others, and I always cherish those moments, whether it's His Holiness the Dalai Lama, or whether it's the chief of imams, or whether it's chief of other religions. I have seen amazing, beautiful souls they are, and that is my experience. And being together is the best moment of my life. Humility, respect, understanding. That's the message I have learned from them. And second thing is showing respect for others' view. Very important. Sometimes we think we are the best. Great, yes, you are the best, but at the same time, others also think in the same way. Listen their views, respect their views. That is very important. And that increases the patience and the peace in you, and that brings peace in the community also, harmony in the community also, because the followers are always there to follow the leaders. When the leaders understand each other, when the leaders love each other, sit with each other, walk with each other, followers follow their footsteps, and what you see at the end of the result is peace, harmony in the community also. What religion gives us, as I will talk about Hindu religion, tells us we are one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are all one. There is no other. We are all one. And then not only one, but one as family also. Number two, when we are family, then other mantra says, let all the noble thoughts come from all directions. Means Ano, Bhadraha, Kratavo, Yantu Vishwataha. Let all the noble thoughts come from all directions. Keep your windows of your heart open. Let the fresh air come from every side. Don't close the windows of your mind and your heart. And that's a great message. And then it says, whenever you pray, not pray for yourself, pray for all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. All. Pray for all. That is the best thing I have learned from my religion. And then, when you are sharing all of that with your friends, with your followers, I think this message is universal. This message is for all, that all be happy, all be healthy, all be enlightened, all be cultured, all attain enlightenment, and may no one suffer. In all of that, where is Hinduism? Where is Islam? Where is Judaism? Where is Christianity? All are there. It's a message of inclusiveness, message of oneness, and message of togetherness. That's what is needed today. When this message is followed by the religious leaders, followers are bound to follow them, because it's not a blind message, it's an open message. It's a message which opens you for all, which gives you the message to embrace all. And when you embrace all, when you love all, what will happen? Only harmony, only peace. And that only can happen when you are in peace. First, get the message from your own religion and be in peace. When you are in peace, you exude peace, you manifest peace, and you share peace. When you are in pieces, you misunderstand your religion, then you are in pieces. When you are in pieces, but you share only pieces. That's what is happening today in few places in the world. The pieces are being shared with others, not the peace. So, being together with other faith leaders gives the opportunity to share all of that wisdom, all of that knowledge, which brings harmony and unity and peace. God loves diversity. Number one, let me tell you what I have learned talking, meeting, working with each other. 95% in every religion are similarities. Only 5% are differences, maybe based on their local or cultural foundations. But I can tell you one thing very clearly. Rather than talking about differences, which are only 5%, why not to talk about similarities? Let us give a new beginning from similarities, from those divinities, from those beauties, from those qualities, those values, and you will see, end of the day, all those people who have fear of unknown, they will come together. They will respect each other. They will love each other. This is all fear of unknown which keeps us away from each other. And the moment you come to know, oh my God, he is same, he is like me, and that's it. That's what we have to do it. And that's what we have to practice it. That's what we have to share with everybody. That's very simple. Well, differences are everywhere. In the nature also, there are differences. But God loves diversity. Only thing which hurt people is comparing yourself with others. I am the best, they are not. I am the superior, they are not. Then creates a problem. And then the jealousy, the anger, the grudges, so many problems comes. And rather than seeing peace, you see the war. I have seen in the jungle, I was very young, when I left my family, went to the forest, being in the jungle. In those days, I have noticed one thing very clearly. There were flower of roses, there were jasmines, and I've never seen any problem, any fight, any comparison between the jasmine and the rose. Why I am not a rose? Jasmine never was disappointed about this. Why I am not a jasmine? Rose never complained. Jasmine is jasmine, rose is rose, both have their own beauties. But as a human being, when we start comparing, problem happens. Let us not compare. Let us not even declare that my way is the way. My way or no way. This is not the way. The way is, every way maybe can be a way. That's why God has brought this beautiful flowers on this earth. It's a great bouquet. Gives the fragrance of oneness. Give the fragrance of love and peace and harmony. Why not? To learn from those flowers. I learned from those flowers in the jungle. Let me, if I am a rose, let me be rose. In its fullest beauty. If I am a jasmine, let me be a jasmine. Share my fragrance with all. Without any barriers and boundaries of caste, creed and color, region or religions. Sun never creates boundaries. Air never creates boundaries. Never. Gives to all. Same way, learning from each other, respecting each other, understanding each other's. End of the day, one more thing I want to share here. respect your own and worship your own and respect all. First, respect your own. If you don't have a respect for your own values, you will not give a respect to others. Respect itself is a value. So respect your own. Second, worship your own and respect all. That's the message I learned from the jungle, and that made me very rich, and that I am sharing now with all, respecting all. You must have noticed, seen all over the world. Meeting all the faith leaders, bringing all them together, working together, and which is to me a great, great, great achievement for my life.